making delicious sweet rice popped sugar. Put the soaked and drained purple rice and glutinous rice into a steamer. Steam for 40 minutes to 1 hour. Then, add almond slices and steam them as well. Once the rice and almonds have cooled, combine them together. In the pan where you just made the peanut candy, add an appropriate amount of water and white sugar. Heat over medium heat. Stir until the sugar completely dissolves. Next, add a large chunk of maltose. Then add some peanuts and black sesame to enrich the flavor. Pour the steamed rice and almonds into the syrup pot. Heat over low heat, stirring constantly. Make sure each grain of rice and almond is coated in the sweet syrup. Stir for 5 minutes, letting the syrup deeply soak into the purple rice, adding sweetness and flavor. Cook until the syrup thickens and most of the water evaporates. The purple rice and syrup will be tightly bound together. Then you can turn off the heat. Pour the mixed purple rice candy into the prepared mold. Press it flat with a spoon. The surface should be evenly covered with a large piece of rice candy. Let it cool and harden slightly. Then, it can be cut into long strips with a cutter machine. After slightly evening it out, make another cut, cutting it into small pieces. Wrap them with an automatic packaging machine. Then, place them into bottles. This delicious purple rice candy is now complete.